Alright. Here's our mold that the famous D-Ray made out of that cross. We've never done this before, and then whatever extra we got we'll pour in there. So, burnt my hand pretty good, as you can see right there. Been icing it. So, we're ready. Oh, exactly what I didn't want to do. Oh, something went through the bottom. What happened? How'd that happen?
You poured it over.
Oh, I poured it over.
I thought you were allowed to do it in the bottom.
Oh, look at that. That is not good. That's a major. That was a major pour blunder. Everything failed. It was basically a fail on all aspects.
How not to pour your mold.
It burnt through the thing. Need some more. It burned a hole in the thing.
It's going.
So definitely over poured the mold to the back of it, but rinse off the front of it is. It's gonna need some sanding and some polishing and some cutting.
No water. There we go.
Well, actually that was doing good. You might have to do that.
No water. Okay.
Go ahead, Liz Bale. Alright.
Looking good?
Yeah. Let me see. Oh. Not too bad for first over open pour like that. It's definitely gonna need a little work.
You can put some more water in.
And that was our extra. And our piece of bread. Oh, this is the one that came off the
grill.
The grill.
There's the extra one.
And there's another one. We got some extra silver to melt. We're out here trying to modify the cross that we made yesterday. We've been grinding it with the angle grinder. Just trying to shape it a little bit. Trying to keep it cool. Alright. So far, so good. Looks pretty good.
It's coming down. Got one side coming off real good.
What do you think? Needs a little bit more work, huh? It's not hot. Yeah. What do you think? Good?
Looks pretty good from the front, actually.
Yeah. Getting there. Looking good.
That little rinse in it right there makes it look kind of...
Yeah, I think it makes it look a little bit more like authentic.
Yeah.
Now, obviously, that is
in there, buddy.
So we had a chicken that hasn't laid an egg in about 25 days. We weren't sure why. It's perfectly healthy. All the chickens are healthy. They get great food, plenty of calcium, all that stuff. The other 3 chickens, so even in the heat, are just laying eggs left and right. But this one just seems like there's a little, not quite much shell. So she didn't lay yesterday. We're hoping she's maybe was molting or something like that, but just not sure. But I mean, it's just almost like it's just, I don't know, like a real soft shell, almost like she's not getting enough calcium. But again, she hasn't laid an egg in 25 days, and this was the first one after that.